Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to edit your image automatically using Lightroom. First of all, you need to install the application Lightroom. Open your Play Store, search for Lightroom. After install, open it. Here you can see the images in your gallery. Select the required image. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side. Here you can see the auto option on the bottom left side. Tap on the auto option, you can edit your image automatically. Tap on it. Now the image is edited. The all things in the image is adjusted by automatically. By doing this, you can edit your image in a single click. Tap on the share option on the top side. You can export the image in your gallery. Tap on the share option on the top side. Save copy to device. Tap on the save copy to device option. Now the image is saved in your gallery. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.